Hello everyone, this is Charlie from Globness Systems, Kolkata, your ultimate career guide. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Globness Systems and its business analytical training services. So let's start our journey. Globness System is a leading business analytics and IT training institute which bridges the gap between industry demand and acquiring knowledge. We assure that our students will get hands-on experience with industry experts because our faculty team is coming from various industries. We always provide a 360-degree learning process which includes 3 steps. We always follow the industry-endorsed course curriculum. We provide you a practical learning process, and we always concerned with the in-depth learning and the understanding of the subject matter. Now we serve different students coming from different background like technical background, management background, statistical background, so on and so forth. Our institute knows that analytics is an emerging domain for job and its demand is growing day by day. So the lucrative course that is suggested or provided by our institution is business analytics. This course includes basic SAS, advanced SAS, analytics, application of SAS, eViews, SPSS, Python, R programming, etc. We also provide placement assistance to our students. Not only placement assistance, we make our students take various mock interviews so that they can prepare themselves for the real job scenario. Now, come to the course. There are 2 categorized courses in this business analytics. Number 1, basic and short courses, which duration is from 1 month to 2 months, and thereafter there is career courses, which duration is 3 months. These basic courses generally includes Python programming, R programming, SPSS, SAS, basic SAS, etc. We all know that nowadays data analytics is using in economic research, in business model, in predictive modeling, in forecasting. So, I assure you that if you go through any of these courses, you will certainly grab a decent job opportunity. Now, come to the career courses. There are 3 career courses that we provide. Data Science, Diploma in Data Science, Diploma in Machine Learning and AI, that is Artificial Intelligence, Diploma in Data Science and Machine Learning. So we all know to some extent about Artificial Intelligence that we see in movie, that is General AI, and in our real life scenario, that is IBM's Deep Blue, is an example of narrow AI. Now we always use neural network in this artificial intelligence process. There are 3 things that is very much required in this AI is processing power of your devices. Number 2, the proper algorithm technique. And number 3, the big data and the enormous data. Now the machine learning is an application of AI which provides the machine a strain that it can gain knowledge from its past experience without being explicitly programmed. So we know the different changes which is happening in the industry, and our institute is always ready to gracefully endorse this stage. Now we come to the end of this session. I hope you enjoyed this session very much. More informative sessions are coming, so stay alert, obviously. And if you like this session, please like and subscribe our channel.